Hi friends, today we'll be talking about international HRM roles in the multinational corporations. What role does an international HR manager plays in the MNCs and the global companies? So first let us talk about what is the work of an international, the basis of work in international HRM. It is the effective management of human resources in global markets for multinational companies in order to gain a key source of competitive advantage and to be globally successful. So it is basically what is HRM when the human resource managers they operate on a international level, and what is their aim is to gain a competitive advantage over other companies and to be globally successful. Company. So this is the strategic role. Now if in crux, if we talk about what is the process of international HRM, it is like in the process of procuring, allocating and effectively utilizing human resources in MNCs. So the basic role of an HR in internationally is to procure. First, procure means to get qualified talented people for some assignments, for their subsidiaries, for their projects, then allocate them responsibilities according to their talents, their specializations, and then obviously utilizing these resources, these human resources in the MNCs. So basic difference between IHRM and HRM here is like shown that it encompasses more functions, it has more heterogeneous function, more varied functions. It involves constantly changing perspective. Every HR manager has to take care of all the global changes taking place. Then the functions are influenced by external sources, and it involves greater level of risk than domestic HRM, because internationally the HR management guys need to know about what are the changes. Okay, they need to be keep themselves updated about the international scenario. Now these are the three broad human resource activities that need to be done. First is procurement. As I said earlier, procurement is getting talented people, allocating them work, delegating them responsibilities and utilizing them. Then three major country categories are involved in international HRM activities. First is host country, second one is home country, and the third one is other country. So if we talk about them in broad manner, is host country nationals, parent country nationals and third country nationals. So firstly, parent country nationals are those people who are from the parent country from which the firm belongs to which the firm belongs to. And host country nationals will be the people who will be from the country where the subsidiary of parent country's company is located. Okay, so these people are called as host country national. Now third country nationals are people who are from the other countries who come to work in the subsidiary of that parent country. So this is all about this. Now recruitment roles internationally are: first, in MNCs, HR managers have to determine the overseas competencies, which competencies are required. Then they will create the job analysis. They will obviously do make the JD and prepare the JD and JS based on the competencies. Then they will keep a pool of applicants interested in overseas assignments, and when the assignment is ready, the project is ready, the subsidiary is ready to move to go, so they just review this pool and interview the candidates and select them. So this is how the recruitment goes. Now there are a range of IHRM roles in MNCs. So let us jump to them one by one. So first one is staffing needs. They have to take care of the staffing needs of the people who are from the parent country, from the company, plus the people who are from some outsourced, from some contractors and all. Okay, so all these people they have to take care. Then they have to take care of recruiting and training employees. Then they have to handle performance issues of the employees overseas also and in their parent country also. Okay, I am talking of HR managers who work globally. Fine. Now they have to formulate personal and management policies for the overseas subsidiaries also. Fine. Then they manage employee compensation and benefits. Obviously everything has to be taken care of about the employees when you are into HR management. Then they have to maintain these employees' records and documents. Then when we talk of IHRM, international HRM roles in MNCs, in global companies, so it is like you have to have an additional knowledge, okay, of different things, and you have to manage some additional responsibilities. So these are some of the aspects on which you need to have a knowledge. First is language. You should know the language of the foreign country. Then local and national regulations. You should know what are the national regulations of the host country where your subsidiary is located. Okay. And laws governing business operations. You should cater to the laws which are going on in those host countries where your subsidiary is located. Okay, you have to have a knowledge of the currency exchange rate. Okay, then company benefits. What benefits the company has to give to employees to retain them. Then obviously when we set up subsidiaries in different countries, so we have those countries also expect some etiquettes on part of our employees. Okay, so we have to take care of these ethics and etiquettes and according to the expectations of foreign business context. And then after that, workplace safety. Obviously it is a very big issue. We have to take care that the employees who are going overseas for working, they should be safe. Then employee assistance. Obviously it comes when they need our assistance in so many things. Okay, then diversity. How to manage the diversified cultures that happen to be in an organization when people from different cultures are coming to work. So these are some of the additional responsibilities that HR manager has to cater to while working internationally. So conclusion is that the HRM people or managers need to understand these differences, and hence an HR executive has to shoulder a big responsibility to manage the global operations effectively and efficiently. So that is it for today. Hope you liked it. I'll be right back with some new videos related to HR. Thank you. Have a nice day.